Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving into a recipe that's simple, delicious, and oh so satisfying: crispy smashed potatoes with green romesco. Trust me, this dish is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Imagine this: crispy golden brown potatoes, fluffy on the inside and bursting with flavor. Now picture a vibrant, tangy green romesco sauce drizzled over the top. Is your mouth watering yet? Let's get cooking. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. It's always exciting to start with a clean slate and a well-organized kitchen. Having everything you need at your fingertips makes the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Don't worry, you won't need a shopping trolley full. Just a few key items will do the trick. We're all about simplicity and maximizing flavor with minimal fuss. We believe in keeping things simple and delicious. Quality over quantity is our mantra. With the right ingredients, even the simplest dishes can be extraordinary. For this recipe, you'll need potatoes, of course. They're the star of the show. Make sure to pick fresh, firm potatoes for the best results. Choose a variety that's good for roasting, like Maris Piper or King Edward. These types hold up well in the oven and give you that perfect crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Olive oil, because everything tastes better with a drizzle of good olive oil. It adds richness and helps to crisp up the potatoes beautifully. Salt and pepper, to season our spuds to perfection. These basic seasonings are essential for bringing out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Fresh parsley for that vibrant green color and herby flavor. It adds a pop of freshness and a lovely contrast to the roasted potatoes. Almonds, for a bit of crunch and nutty goodness. They add an unexpected twist and a delightful texture to the dish. See? Simple ingredients for a truly scrumptious dish. With just a handful of items, you can create something that's not only delicious but also impressive. Let's get cooking. Now comes the fun part, smashing potatoes. This is where you can really let loose and have some fun in the kitchen. It's a great way to relieve some stress and get those potatoes ready for the next step. Don't worry, we won't be needing any heavy machinery. Just some simple kitchen tools like a potato masher or even the bottom of a sturdy glass will do the trick. Start by boiling your potatoes until they're fork tender. This means they should be soft enough to easily pierce with a fork but not falling apart. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect texture. While they're boiling, preheat your oven to a nice and hot temperature. This ensures that once the potatoes are smashed, they can go straight into the oven without any delay. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and let them cool slightly. This makes them easier to handle and prevents you from burning your hands during the smashing process. Now, here comes the fun part. Get ready to smash those spuds. This is where you can get creative and have a bit of fun. Place the potatoes on a baking tray, and using the bottom of a glass or a potato masher, gently squish them down. You don't need to apply too much force, just enough to flatten them slightly. You want them to be flattened but still in one piece. This helps them get crispy in the oven while maintaining their delicious, fluffy interior. Drizzle with olive oil, season generously with salt and pepper. Feel free to add any other seasonings you like, such as garlic powder, rosemary or thyme, to give them an extra burst of flavor. And pop them in the oven to roast until golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn, and get ready to enjoy some of the best potatoes you've ever had. While our potatoes are crisping up in the oven, let's make our zesty green romesco sauce. This sauce is a flavor bomb, adding a wonderful tanginess and freshness to our crispy potatoes. Simply blitz together fresh parsley, almonds, olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You can adjust the consistency to your liking by adding more olive oil or a splash of water. Once your potatoes are golden brown and crispy, remove them from the oven. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be absolutely irresistible, making it hard to wait for the final dish. But trust me, the wait is worth it. Now comes the best part, plating up. This is where you can get creative and make your dish look as good as it tastes. Use a nice clean white plate to really make those colors pop. Arrange your crispy smashed potatoes on a platter, drizzle generously with that vibrant green romesco sauce, and voila! The sauce not only adds a burst of color but also a zesty flavor that complements the crispy texture of the potatoes perfectly. You have a dish that's as delicious as it looks. The golden brown potatoes with the vibrant green sauce create a visual feast that will make anyone's mouth water. This recipe is incredibly versatile and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just making a weeknight meal, these potatoes will fit right in. Serve it as a side dish with grilled chicken or fish, and you'll have a balanced meal that's both nutritious and delicious. Or enjoy it as a light lunch with a fresh salad. The crispiness of the potatoes pairs wonderfully with the freshness of the salad, making it a perfect midday meal. No matter how you choose to serve it, this dish is sure to be a crowd pleaser. It's a guaranteed hit that will have everyone asking for seconds. So go ahead, give it a try and watch as your guests marvel at your culinary skills.